New severe thunderstorm warning issued for Colorado. Here is the full text of this warning. Attention, the National Weather Service in Grand Junction has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern La Plata County in southwestern Colorado until 4:15 p.m. Mountain Time. At 3:47 p.m. MDT, a severe thunderstorm was located near Durango, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source radar indicated. Impact hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Durango, Falfa and Oxford. This includes the following highways: U.S. Highway 550 in Colorado between mile markers 8 and 28, U.S. Highway 160 in Colorado between mile markers 80 and 98, Colorado 172 between mile markers 14 and 24. Precautionary preparedness actions. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Full stop. End of warning.